How to turn off comments notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it, and after you click on it, just click settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you find push notifications. And here first one, you will find in-app notifications, and here you will find comments notifications. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.